These are the 5 reasons why your money tree plant leaves are turning pale or yellow. Reason number 5. Underwatering. Yellow leaves caused by underwatering will be dry and crispy. The soil will also feel dry and crumbly upon touch. Even your pot will appear to be lighter when lifted up. Sometimes you may be watering your plant regularly, but it might still end up being underwatered. This occurs when the weather is too hot and dry and sucks up the moisture from your plant. If underwatering is your reason, do this to save your plant. Simply add in more water. Increase the frequency of watering. Water as soon as you notice the soil is becoming dry. Reason number 4. Too much bright light. Your money tree will thrive with ample light, so choose a location in your home that gets indirect sunlight throughout most of the day. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves of your money tree, causing the leaves to become pale, yellow, brown, or completely dry. If placed in direct sunlight, eventually the tree will die. Reason number 3. Low humidity levels. Your money tree needs at least 50% humidity levels all times for its proper growth. Although it can survive drops in humidity, if such a thing happens too frequently, it can lead to the money tree plant leaves turning yellow. You will notice this happening most often during the winter season. Dryness leads to a fall in humidity, which then causes the leaves to turn yellow. Use a humidifier to increase the humidity levels of your money tree plant. A cost-effective alternative is to place a pebble tray filled with water under your pot. Reason number 2. Poor drainage. Money tree leaves turning yellow, pale, and falling off might be due to your soil not having adequate drainage. Inspect it carefully after each watering and see if it retains moisture for longer than 2 days. Poorly draining soil causes a fungal infection called root rot to develop in the money tree plant. Root rot causes leaves to turn yellow and brown. If this is your reason, do this to save your plant. You will need to repot the plant in a more suitable pot having good drainage holes. Your soil should have pebbles or sand mixed with it to improve its drainage. Money tree plants love sandy, peat-filled soil that allows good air circulation and water drainage. Reason number 1. Bugs and pests. Insects suck the sap out of your plant and produce yellow spots on the leaves. Over time, this can lead to the whole leaf turning a sickly yellow color. Check your plant regularly for signs of pests and bugs. You can use an insect repellent spray to get rid of them.